Hey guys, I'm Jayce. Welcome back to Farmstead Forge. Today I'm going to whip out a quick set of stake turners. I had some guys give me some cool stuff and I would like to repay them, and we're going to see one of them this weekend. So one of them is a piece of 8-inch round sucker rod that I make all my tongs out of, and I was short on sucker rod about a year ago and he gave me a whole bunch of it and kind of bailed me out of a tight spot. So I want to make him one out of a piece of sucker rod and leave a little bit of the sucker rod so he can tell it was sucker rod. The other one I'm going to be making for a guy is out of an old railroad spike. I bought a bucket of these at a garage sale, didn't ask questions, but that's what I'm going to make. I also have a set of tongs I'll use for my railroad spike that I made in one of my videos, some slotted jaw tongs, so you can check that out. So let's get started. Alright, so since these are gonna be used for food, I'm gonna take them up, we're gonna buff them off really good, wire wheel them, and then I will take them up the house. We're gonna show you how we're gonna season them. I haven't punched a hole with my power hammer for a long time and I really muffed it up. But yeah, I just decided to take a punch where I missed and make a little design. My hole's kind of ugly, but we'll put a leather strap through there and it'll be what it'll be. It looks hand forged and he'll like it. Gonna wash them in really hot, soapy water, and then we'll dry them thoroughly. Hey guys, these steak turners turned out pretty darn nice, and hook your steak and flip it over. For some reason, the lard kind of burned on a little more on my railroad spike. I've never really had it do that before, I'm not sure why. And then this higher carbon sucker rod, it just came out really clean, so I'm not sure why that happened, but maybe somebody can let me know what I did wrong. But either way, it has a really nice season on it, and it's gonna get the same grease on it at the barbecue, so it'll hold up really nice and won't rust. And by the way, what do you guys think of my nice $2 suspenders I got at the thrift store? My kids don't like them, so yay or nay, give me a vote. What do you think? All right, we'll see you guys in the next one.